Welcome to Market Peeker. Today, we're breaking down blockchain technology in the simplest way possible. You've probably heard the term everywhere, but what is it? And why is it so revolutionary? Let's dive in. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger or a notebook that records transactions. But unlike traditional ledgers, it's decentralized. There's no central authority like a bank in charge. Instead, the ledger is shared across a network of computers called nodes. Here's the cool part. Every transaction is grouped into a block, and once that block is full, it's linked to the previous one, forming a chain. This chain is unchangeable. If someone tries to alter one block, the whole network rejects it, making blockchain highly secure. Blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's being used in supply chain management, healthcare, and even voting systems to ensure transparency and security. In short, blockchain is transforming how we trust and share information in the digital age. It's fast, transparent, and nearly tamper-proof. Where do you think blockchain will have the biggest impact?